Thanks for joining me as I review a couple of my recent drone flights. Sit back, relax, and enjoy some quiet mountain scenery from above. Coming back from Brian's place in Summerland, I took the Princeton, Summerland Road, a mix of pavement and well-kept gravel that winds through the mountains. It loosely follows the Trans-Canada Trail, Kettle Valley Rail Trail. Passing through the tiny community of Falder, then Trout Creek, Thirst Lake, Osprey Lake, and the Chain Lake recreation sites before eventually dropping you into Princeton. If you don't mind about 20 kilometers of gravel, it's one of the most relaxing drives you can take. Hardly any traffic, just you, the trees, and the valleys stretching out around you. The first video comes from a quiet little lake where I stopped for a break. I took out the mountain bike, rode down to the shoreline, and sent the drone up. It was completely still, just me, the water, and the sound of the drone fading into the distance. This flight covered 2.66 kilometers, reached 87 meters, and ran for 10 minutes. What you're seeing here is the edited version of that flight. A bit farther down the road, I came across a small dam with water spilling right over the concrete edge. It was windy enough to make me hesitate, but I decided to fly anyway. And I'm glad I did. This second flight was shorter but just as interesting, 717 meters in distance, 43 meters maximum altitude, and 6 minutes in the air. The drone handled the wind beautifully, and the footage turned out great. Thanks for joining me on these quiet mountain flights. It's always something special to get out on the backroads, take a break, and send the drone up to see the landscape from above. I hope you enjoyed the views as much as I did capturing them. If you liked this little ride through the mountains, feel free to check out more of my drone adventures. Until next time, take care, and enjoy the scenery wherever the road takes you.